Hello my friends, and good morning or good evening. I guess it depends when you're watching. So today we're checking out this tripod. So you guys know with editing videos and stuff, always need tripods because you gotta have different angles depending on the type of stuff that you are working on. So I'm curious to see the quality of this tripod. Alright, so first off, we see that they give you a extension. So this allows you to mount your camera in different positions. Your camera, your phone, whatever you are using. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So they also provide you with a fully flexible extension end as well. So that actually looks like it just goes on. Well, we'll have to see the different pieces that they give. Of course, they give you a manual and they give you a little highlight how it's supposed to go. Now, with these things, you guys can do it yourself. You guys can set it up however you want. All right, so this is for your phone, and it looks like if you thread this open, you can adjust the position. So if you got a thicker phone, you just thread this, and then you put your phone in and you retighten this. You got the little thread in bracket there. All right. Well, it feels heavy duty. It doesn't feel like one of those lightweight. I mean, it's lightweight, but it feels definitely heavy duty. So for this, you pull this out. It might be tight, so let's loosen this up here. And you just basically pull this out. The legs will come the whole way down, and now you have it ready to go. And then once you have it to the position, you just retighten this piece here. Obviously, we're gonna have to show you guys in another area because this is. Once we got that on tight, we now thread this on to lock this in place. However, we're gonna have our phone. So we mount our phone like this. Have the camera down, make this tight, and probably right about here, and now we're good to go. So guys, as you can see here, now we have this mounted and we can position this how we want. So the nice thing about this tripod is you can look straight down, which is great for doing stuff on a table directly right down. We can now turn it up and we can actually face this straight out. So if we're looking straight out for vlog type, you want to look at the sky, you can put it straight up, and then it is fully adjustable. So you can twist these and extend it very high, which I'll show you guys. So let's go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So guys, as you can see, you can put it pretty tall, and we have it bent down like this. So you guys can adjust it however you want. With the bracket, you just loosen this up here, and then you can mount that straight out. So it could be like a vlog. I mean, you can have it to the angle, you can have it sideways, however you want. As you can see, it rotates 360 degrees. This bends, you can set that up however you want. Any position, any way, wherever you're going. So overall, it's a nice tripod.